Hello guys, it's your boy Fortunate here, and today this is another type of Korean hangover soup called haejang-guk. Yeah, I think this is the most popular hangover soup here in South Korea. I have this huge giant pork bone. I have about 3 of them and they are super huge, man. I also have cabbage in here. I've got spring onion, and the broth looks very red. I believe there is a lot of Korean chili paste in here, which is called gochujang. So one thing I've realized about this Korean hangover soup is that the base ingredients are the same, but then depending on who is cooking the soup, they tend to switch some ingredients that makes it unique, makes him stand out when it comes to the restaurant food. So let's see what I have in this haejang-guk. What I have here, I have a big giant pork bone. There is a little meat on it. I also have some dry cabbage in here. I've got some spring onion. I've got the normal white onion also in here. Apart from that, that's all I can see. I'm not very sure what else is in here, but the broth looks very red. So I believe there is Korean chili paste in here, which is called gochujang. I'll go ahead and try this. The aroma is amazing in here. It smells kind of spicy, smells kind of porky as well, but not so much. And there is a little bit of oil on top. It looks very colorful, man. It's amazing. Oh man. So it's a bit spicy, it's a bit salty, kind of like salt to taste. Okay, I'll go ahead and try the meat. Oh, and then on the side, I have Korean udon here as a side dish. So I recently found out that there are other types of kimchi. That is very interesting. So what you see here is also another type of kimchi called uju kimchi. It's made with, I believe, spring onion with gochujang. Yeah. And also, another kimchi here is the reddish kimchi. I had no idea this was kimchi, man. I've had this several times, it's amazing, but I didn't know it was kimchi. And then this is the popular kimchi. This one is called meaty kimchi. Yeah, it's made with cabbage, fermented cabbage. I'm not sure of the process, but then the cabbage goes through fermentation. Aside that, I also have marinated garlic with chili. I think it's I think it's vinegar. Yeah. The garlic looked cool as well as the chili. Yeah, and aside that I have a bowl of rice. So wow. The meat is amazing, man. It's very tender, very soft. Wow. So the meat is very tender, very soft. I love it, man. It's amazing. The only problem is that there's not many meat on the bone. It's mostly bones. And most of the meat are found on the bone corners, so you really have to, you have to go in there and get it. Wow. Amazing, look at how huge that is. Okay, now I'll try with all the side dishes I have in here. So first I'll go in for the rice. I'll go in for udon. Amazing. So udon is a kind of snack here in South Korea. It's made from fish. I'm not very sure of the process, but I think there is also soy sauce in there. It was a bit salty. It's not too chewy, which is amazing. Next, I'll try with the goju kimchi. Tastes like fermented onion. It's quite spicy. Wow, it's amazing. This is cool, man. I like the reddish kimchi. So I believe this is kind of some type of a pickle. I'm not very sure. Maybe it's called chili and garlic pickle. I don't know. Yeah, but it tastes kind of like pickle, man. It has the pickle taste. Wow. This is amazing. my god, there's no meat left. Oh man. I think I need to break this up. Oh man. Oh, there's quite a lot on this one. That was an amazing meal, man. So if you want to really enjoy this food and the meat, you really have to use your hands to dig in the meat, man. It was great, it was great. Okay guys, so this is why I end today's video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more amazing content, man. It was an amazing lunch. I enjoyed every bit of it, and I hope to explore more Korean food. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe.